Hello everyone. So if you want to easily manage explicit content while browsing on Android phone using a Google Chrome, here's how to do that. So today we're talking about the SafeSearch. It helps you to filter out all the inappropriate content, and by adjusting it you can really enhance your or your child's experience. So let's open up our Google Chrome first of all. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner, and here you are to press settings. Then let's scroll down to our privacy and security. It's right in this basic section. So first of all, the obvious one is to locate your safe browsing. There we go. And we are to activate it. So I recommend you to use it on standard protection. Simply tap on it and you're all set. As the second step, let's go back to the previous page. Now let's scroll down to our Use Secure DNS section. This is gonna be helpful this time. Choose it. And here tap on Choose Other Provider. And first of all, make sure that Use Secure DNS is enabled. But usually this option is enabled by the default. So tap on Choose Another Provider. Tap on this little arrow near Custom. And I recommend you to use Clean Browsing Family Filter. You can see its privacy policy if you want to. It really filters out many of the filthy, so to say, stuff. Basically, that's it. Now your Google Chrome is secure. However, if you want to otherwise turn off all the safe searches, how do you do this? Basically, repeat the same action. So open up your Google Chrome, three dots, settings, privacy and security. After that, locate your safe browsing, press on No Protection, confirm your choice by pressing Turn Off, then go back, then Use Secure DNS, and here simply press Use Your Current Service Provider. Secure DNS may not be available all the time, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.